Hello guys, I'm Joe Costa and I'm back with another video on this MySQL Python question revision project thing. And in the last video we looked at adding and editing questions. In this video we're going to be going back onto the question manager, but today we're going to be looking at is deleting questions. Sometimes we wish to remove a question. Now this is going to be quite interesting because in removing a question, in SQL, when you remove a question, you also have to update is the auto increment variable. If you don't, what you're going to notice, your IDs are going to be out of sync. If I show over here an example, I'll just come over here. Come on, open. So let's say I come over here and I wish to, let's go over here. Let's say I wish to say over here, or delete from question where ID is equal to 1, right? If I do that, then run that, then open up over here the thing, we get 2, right? And if I then come in and say, oh, hold on, let me specify, copy it from here. And if I say over here, oh, insert into the table, crap, let's just put a bunch of crap over here. Yeah, we want to insert into the table all this. Answers D. Come on. Well, you notice it goes to 7, it doesn't go to 1, and let's say you take something off the middle, you know, it won't replenish that, I guess. It won't, that ID is gone forever. And that's an issue. That is an issue. That is an issue because over here we're using let's say so if I was to come over here, for example, if I just Control F5 this to run this, I'm not responding, that's great. Come on. Okay. If I put over here to go 3 and I go to 2, edit question. And okay, so if I say, okay, so I want to edit is the first question, right? What is it? Which of these is a probably range? I press 1. It's out of range. The existing question becomes out of range. I should probably move this a bit. That question becomes out of range. And that's because, you know, what we've done is we've modified all this. Let me just put this back onto 1. I'll edit also this data as well. I'll edit to, let's just edit it to this question quickly. Over here, just over here to that. We're gonna say skip. So we can get this string, integer, float. Don't need all this stuff. Float, and then character. Yeah, option D. That was correct. Okay, that's not working. And now we're updated. Okay. Interesting. So now we updated that. Huh. How do you undo? No. Okay. Interesting in that now we updated it. Okay. Weird. Anywho. Yeah, that's weird. Anyway, so that's where it becomes an issue is with the question ID. Is that we're displaying the questions, and then you delete something, then it gets all messed up. Start the IDs. Apparently now it's become sorted. I don't know how that happened. You can try again. This one. If I delete that, delete rows, apply. Right, I deleted that. Okay, now let me try and insert something. Not that. Yeah, let's do that one. Let's see if that updates itself. If it does, that's only updating because I'm adding on an item. What if you don't add on an item? Then that's a different story, isn't it? Because you just might delete a question but never add it on again. 32. Copy. Question is C. C is the correct answer. C. One. Yep, 2's missing. Where's 2? 2's gone. So the way to solve it is you can either find an idea which is missing and just fill it in, or the other way is just to ignore don't worry about the missing gaps, but just don't show that in your Python. So in our Python we do say 1, 2, but then we have to link that to the actual ID. That's the thing you have to be able to do. So for example, when we're getting the question name, so if you want to display, here we select start, oh no, not that one, hold on, where is it? Get all questions. We're just getting the question. Why don't we get the ID as well? But you don't have to show the ID, but at least have the ID there available. So what we do is instead we have over here is a 2-dimensional array where we are appending not only the ID, but we are also then appending is the question along with it. Now the way to append to a 2D array is we have to get is this append. Then what we do is we put a square bracket inside over here, and we say we want is the ID. So sure, we could just do this again, but for the ID. And then we say over here is a comma, and we want is this as well. And then once you've done all that, can you please print me out all questions and see what happens. See if it does what I want. Okay, we've got an error. Can only join iterable. Okay. Let's just do ID. So that's going to work if I just say just join ID. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Let me print out this question again. Oh, it's because I'm saying for question. That's why. So there's no ID. For question. Hold on. Let me see what the for question is again. Let me see what gets outputted. Oh, really? Right. Didn't have enough time to see that. Hold on. Yeah, don't do any of this afterwards. Comment that out. We're not going to do that anything. We first have to tackle this issue. 3, 2. Someone's clearing the screen. Someone's clearing the screen. I don't know what it is. What's clearing the screen? Is it this while loop? It's because we're in the while loop, isn't it? Don't make me break. Just break. There we go. That should solve the issue, hopefully. Okay, here we go. Fantastic. So now we have is 1 and which time. And the question. I was reading it, that's fine. Okay, cool. So we got that. So you can see this is the idea of 8. So what we want to do is we want to then get is if I say print of here 0, let's see what happens when I say print 0. We get is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Now that is the IDs, isn't it? 1, yep, 3, 4. Yeah, okay, that's all the IDs. Excellent. So that's the IDs. If I say 1, that'll be the questions, right? Right? Yes, I am correct. Cool, cool. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to say here, okay, so we're going to say all questions. Yeah, so saying over here is all questions dot append. What we're going to do is we're going to append over here the question 0 and question 1. Right, let's get rid of that. Let's see what happens. No problems apart from this one. I think what I need to do is I need to get rid of that to clear that. Okay, so we've got here is 1. Yeah, so look, here is one element. Here is another element. Here is another element. Here's another element. As you can see, those are all different elements. There's a different array elements inside another array. Hopefully that's not too confusing. Okay, so that's not now. So now that works. Now we have to actually modify all the other things, which worked with that. So yeah, it's like and to re-engineer all this. So display question to edit. We now need to re-engineer all of this stuff. So what we need to do is we need to. So we've got the question ID. So hold on. This is what we need to get. Sorry, I was ahead of myself. It's this one we need to edit. So we need to edit this. So this loops around. So if I just uncomment that from now, just uncomment that. So this loops around. Print me out the question. Print me the question. Let me see what happens when I print out the question. Go to cluster, admin, 3, 2. Clears the screen so I cannot see it. What if I get rid of that? Go cluster, admin, spell incorrectly, try again. Go cluster, admin, 3, 2. That gets me the question. Just a question that gets me. Okay, that just gets me the question. Interesting. For question in all questions. Interesting, that just gets me the question. Currently all questions. Is it returning correctly? That's what I'm going to find out right now. If it's returning correctly. If it is, it should be in a 2D array. Oh no, oh no, that's something else. Oh, didn't I clear? Oh, didn't I clear that? Did I? Yeah, I did. I didn't really remove the print. Oops, my mistake. No, ignore that. So it's this way. So yes, the array did actually return. Well, good. So it's just that this we need to fix. Stop printing that. Let's see if you actually print out. What do you actually print out? Let's see what happens. 3, 2. So yeah, so you print out that. Okay, fantastic. So you print out that correctly. Good. It's good. And what if we say question 1? And we say admin, yes. 3, 2. Good. We print out the questions. Good, good, good. That's good. Okay, so that means what we just do over here is we say, yep, string question. Now, question 1. That shouldn't be an issue, that shouldn't be an issue anymore. I hope not. But this part we need to fix. So what we need to say over here is question ID is equal to the input. And what we say over here is that question ID is equal to the input, but then question ID this way becomes a bit tricky. If I go back over here, admin 3 2. Here are the questions. So what we're saying over here is what we're going to say is we're going to say question ID is equal to becomes equal to all questions open brackets for question ID, because I just then print me out the question ID. Let me see if this is working correctly as it's supposed to. Let's see if this works out correctly as I think. 3 2 3. Like, let's see this one. It's gonna be the Boolean one. That's because I need to minus the 1. I need to minus 1 over here, because we start from 0. I think that's why. So if we say 3 again, yes, what is an ID? Okay, cool. But we don't want is the whole thing. We just want is then the ID of it. We want the actual ID of the question itself. That's stored on the database. So we go 3 2. So which one of these is the 8th one? So get the hexadecimal one, which is represented as 8 on the database and 6. So if I input 6 over here, this one over here, which is a different number to the one on the database, 6 8. Cool. So that's now working as it should be. Good. Just have to make a few tweaks. We just have to make a few tweaks for this to work now. Now we want to display question to edit, and now this one we have to tweak a bit. The want is, I don't think we will actually. I think that's going to work fine actually. Then wish to edit the question. That should work fine. So if I now close all these, how many are there? Just 4. Just close all those. Keep this running. Go style, admin 3 2. If we say 6, that's 8. Boom. I need to actually clear that though. I don't want 8 to be just appear and just random number 8. Was like some representation. Okay, that is now working nicely. Good. So let me get rid of that print. Where's that print? Yeah, get rid of that print ID. We don't need that. So that's working nicely. Excellent. Now what we need to actually do is actually delete. Delete is now has to be now available. So instead of the edit question, what we're also going to have is the delete. So else if menu choice, I believe that is free, if I am correct. It says yes, remove question. And what we want to do is we want to get all the questions. We want then to get question. Well, we called it get question to edit, but call it that, okay, whatever. And then we just say instead of edit question, we're going to say delete question or remove question. Remove question. So similar to the edit function, it's going to be somewhat similar, but it's really just this part which we really care about. So if we just let me just copy this whole thing and then we're going to call it remove. So remove works by saying delete from question where ID, which is right there, where ID is equal to this. execute that with the question ID, and then commit that, please, and close that. So that should work. So if we just pop over here, actually no, we'll do it over here. If we just create a crappy old question. That should get changed. I haven't actually cleared it. Or created an actual space actually, yeah, good. Good watch, get question to edit, get question to edit. Oh yeah. I don't know, do we wish to... Yeah, let's just clear that. Okay. I'll clear in the future. Oh, it's not edit that I wanted, is it? So no, I want to add a question first. Frame, add question. There's a question. D is the correct answer. Question editor. Remove. Oh, shit. Incident. I clicked on the enter line too quickly before I entered. 3. And I just spelled that wrong, didn't I? Yeah. It's annoying. So 7. Yeah. And that deleted it. Yeah? Let's go and view the edit question. Let's view that. I don't see it there. And if I come over here and update this, boom, it's gone. There you go. That's how you delete questions via a database using Python. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, press that like button. Subscribe for the next video where we're actually going to potentially, I feel, we could either look at how to import CSV files or questions, but I think I'm going to do that for another video, later video, because that's not something that we need necessarily now, but we might do that later as a more advanced thing. But I think for the next video, we're actually going to be looking at actually creating the quiz, sign up students and stuff. I think that's what we might do next. So if you can't wait, and if you want to know when I upload my next video, subscribe so you can get that video in the sub box and get a notification. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope to see you guys very soon. Goodbye.